اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے. جی نرسری, ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می. پہلا کلمہ طیب. طیب معنی پاک. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. once again nursery, لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ترجمہ: اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں. Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Kul ho Allahu Ahad Allahu Samad Lam Yalid Walam Yulad Walam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. Yes nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes nursery class, once again good morning. Before starting our lecture we do some general knowledge question answer. Here are the 5 questions that we do in the last week. So right now I will only revise these questions, okay? I will ask the question and you will give me the answer. Yes, question number 1 is nursery, who are we? Excellent. Yes, we are Muslim. Clap for you nursery. Number 2, what is the name of our religion? Excellent. The name of our religion is Islam. Now come to the question number 3. What is the name of our country? Very good. The name of our country is Pakistan. So nursery class, are you ready for the next question? Next question is, what are the color of our flag? Yes, exactly right. The color of our flag is green and white. Now the question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right nursery class. We found star and crescent. Very good. Now nursery class, are you ready for the question of this week? Yes. Now the question number 6 is, How many prayers are in a day? Your answer is 5 prayers. Okay. Question number 7 is, what are the name of the prayers? Your answer will be Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Well done. You want to revise the answer of question number 7? Yes. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 8. How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days in a week. Now the next question, which is question number 9. What are the names of days in a week? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nursery class, there is no worry. You don't have to prepare these questions in one day. Okay? We will revise in the whole week and after that. Okay? We will ask this question in your quiz. Okay? So in this way, these questions are revised. And let's come to the last question of the week. Who is the founder of Pakistan? It means who made the Pakistan nursery? And the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? Assalamu alaikum nursery class. Here is your teacher Faiza with you with the maths book nursery class. Today you have to open page number 5 to 52. I think you are big enough and know how to open the book nursery. Okay. In this page again shapes are here, and today the teacher is going to make a activity of the pictures, sorry, for the activity for the shapes. Okay nursery, I think you enjoy that activity, that's why I'm doing. So nursery class, first of all write the date on the top of the page. Nursery today date is 3-12-2020. Okay nursery class, and in the middle of the page you have to write H.W. Okay nursery class. Now nursery class, first of all look at this shape. This is the shape of the cone. Okay nursery class, this is the shape of the cone. You eat the cone ice cream nursery class? Yes, it is of the same shape. And this is the shape of the cylinder. Got it nursery? This is the shape of the cylinder. Okay. Now it's your duty to tell me the two shapes of anything else than cylinder and cone which are of this shape. Okay nursery class. Move next nursery. They are saying color the same. What is the name of this shape? Cylinder. What is the name of this shape? Cylinder. Again, cylinder. Yes. So we don't need to color the cone. Cross it nursery class. Okay. And color in these two shapes. Okay nursery. Now what is this shape called? This is cone shape. So in this line we will cross cylinder because we have to color in these two cones and this one also. It will make our page more beautiful nursery class. Okay. Now move to the next page nursery, and it is page number 5353. You don't need to write the date on this page nursery class. I think you remember the rules that we follow in the Online classes nursery? Yes, come to the first picture. They are saying count and write in words. Okay, nursery class? So nursery class, we will not do this page, okay? Because they are saying write the write the counting in words. As we have not learned this yet, so we will leave this page. We will do the page after that, okay? We will turn the next page, nursery. Okay, now come to the page number 5454. What is the page number? 5454. Oh wow, Caterpillar nursery class. This is a very interesting page, nursery class. I hope you all like to do this activity, nursery. Fill the missing number. Nursery class, you remember, if you remember that we have done what comes before, what comes between, and what comes after in the class. Okay, it is same like this, nursery class. You only have to read the counting and fill the missing numbers, nursery. What is this number? 1. What comes after 1, nursery? Please tell me. Yes, 2. This is number 2. And they have write 3 for us, nursery class. So this is the missing number. Can you please tell me what comes after 3? Yes, exactly right. 4. What comes after 3? 4. So they have given us the 5, nursery class. So what comes after 5, nursery? Yes, please, quickly. Yes, number 6. And they already have given us 7. So we have finished one Caterpillar nursery class. See? Very good. Now move to the next Caterpillar nursery class. See? Now they have given us 6 and 2 numbers are missing. Oh. Not a big problem, nursery class. So please tell me that what comes after 6? Yes, quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7. What comes after 6, nursery class? 7. And now quickly tell me that what comes after 7? Yes, 8. And they have given us the 9, nursery class. So nursery class, please tell me that what comes after 9? Quick, nursery. Yes, 1, 0, 10. And what comes after 1, 0, 10, nursery class? Yes, very intelligent class, I know that. Yes, 1, 1, 11. Are you doing the work with me or you are doing the forward button, nursery? Now, nursery class, we have finished the second Caterpillar nursery class. Okay, read the counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11 and 1, 2, 12. Okay, nursery class. Now count and join. Okay, nursery class, we have to count these circles and then we write the number over here and then we will join the same numbers with each other. Okay, now let's count, nursery class. Put the finger or a pencil on the block and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. What is this, nursery class? 1, 0, 10. So write here, nursery class, 1, 0, 10. Got it, nursery class? Now move to the next block, nursery class. You have to move slowly and count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. What is this number? 1, 5, 15. So write in the last block, nursery class, okay? Because we don't have the space. So write down in this box, nursery, okay? Now move to the next block, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. So how many circles are here? 13. So write here 1, 3, 13 nursery class. Okay. Now move to the next. And nursery class, please don't say to mama to count, okay? Do it by yourself. You are big enough, nursery. Otherwise, I will not give you a star. Okay? Now count it, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many circles are here, nursery class? 7. Write down here 7. Okay, nursery class? Now move to the next nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many circles are here, nursery class? 7. Write down here 7. Okay, nursery? Now move to the next nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, nursery class? 10. So write down here 1, 0, 10. Okay, nursery? Can you see that? Good. Now nursery class, move to the next. Put the finger and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. How many circles are here, nursery class? 1, 5, 15. I will not write here, nursery class. Okay, write down here. It will be easy for you. Okay, write down in this 1, 5, 15. Okay, it will be hard to see you from here, nursery. That is why I'm writing here. Now count the next circles, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. Okay, nursery class? How many circles are here? 1, 3, 13. Now what they have said to us, they said first count and then match. Nursery class, here is a number 7. Find out the 7 in this line. This is 7. No. This is 7. No. This is 7. No. Here it is. This is number 7, nursery class. So I have a scale and I will match this line with this. Okay, nursery class? See, nursery class, I have matched with a very neat line. Okay, try to do a neat work. Okay, now let's see what is the next number. Next number is 1, 0, 10. Find out. Oops, this is the first. The 10 is on the first block, nursery class. So we will match these two. Okay. Okay, nursery class. See, I have matched this 10 with this 10. Got it, nursery? Now see what is the next block. 1, 5, 15. We have done this. Oops. 15 is on the second block. It's very easy, nursery class. So match this block with this, like this, nursery class. Okay, match it and come to me. Now, nursery class, our last two blocks are left. Here is 1, 3, 13 and here is also 1, 3, 13. So match these two blocks. Okay, nursery class, match it and come to me. See, nursery class, done it. Okay. I thought that today our page was very easy, so we are doing our third page, which is page number 515. And nursery class, please don't be so worried, don't be panic if you have done this page in the class, okay? So the kids who have not done the work, who were absent or for any reason, they forget to bring the book or for any reason nursery class that they have not completed this page, they can do it right now. Okay nursery class, please don't be upset. Here is 1919. Join this line nursery class. Oops, you can't see. Okay, 1 and this is 9. Curve and then a straight line nursery class like this. Okay, and you know how to fill this page because you are grown enough nursery class, and color red in the strawberry. Okay nursery class, your teacher will also do the color and then we will meet. Okay, see nursery class, I have finished my page. You have to do it like this and you have to color in these 19 strawberries. And I also want to show you that I have also colored in this cylinder or in this cone. Okay, do the work like this and do send to me. Okay nursery class, now come to the board work time. Hello and welcome nursery class. It's our board work time nursery class. So it's time to open your copies. It's time to open your homework copies. First of all, I want to discuss the confusion that you are taking these days nursery class. We know that we have given only one copy in your bag. Your bag have only homework copy. You have not the classwork copy in your bag. Okay, so on one page you have to do the classwork and on the next page you have to do the homework. So I don't think so that there is a problem. Okay, you have to do the work of maths, English and Urdu on the same copy. Okay nursery class, so open your maths copy nursery class, take out from your bag and write down the date on the top of the page nursery class. And you know that today date is 3 dash 12 1 2 12 nursery dash 2020. And I also want to resolve one more confusion that some are new that did not attend our last online classes, that you have to send the maths homework and classwork to teacher Faiza. Okay nursery class, I'm your maths teacher. Nursery blue and green both have to send the homework and classwork of maths to teacher Faiza. Okay nursery class, as you can see that we have write the date on the top of the page and on the middle of the page you have to write classwork because you are doing classwork with the teacher, and in the evening you will do the homework with your mama. And I think you are big enough that you can do the homework by yourself. Let's start nursery class. In the first block, put the finger. Okay, one more thing nursery class, if you are absent in the last lecture in the school, that we have started the spellings nursery class. That nursery class in the last lecture, that if you have attended in the school, that we have started the spellings. I have write down over here the spellings, and we have done the spelling of zero in the class. Now today we are going to do the spelling of one nursery class. Okay nursery class, so in the first block you will write 1. Very good nursery class. Now please tell me loudly, I can hear you, what we put in the next block. Please tell me. G, the sign of equal to. Put a sign of equal to. And nursery class, you know what is the spelling of 1? Capital O N with the baby line nursery class. You all have the baby line nursery class, otherwise I will not give you a star. And E. And now read the spelling of 1 with me. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Now read it with me. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Okay, nursery class. Now in the next block, leave one line and write down once again 1. In the next block, put a sign of equal to, nursery class. Okay, and then write down O N E 1. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. In the next block, again write down 1, nursery class. Put a sign of equal to. And then write once again O-N-E-1. Okay, nursery class. In this way, you have to fill the whole page, nursery class. Now, nursery class, I have filled the whole page of 1. Okay, and I have correct my date. I write wrongly the date 3. That today's date is 4. Okay, correct your date, nursery class. So, what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E-1. Now, put your finger. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Nursery class, on Monday, I will listen the spelling of 0, 1 and 2. Okay, then I will give you a star. In nursery class, we missed this Monday. We have not done any work on the Monday, so that's why today I am doing the spelling of 2 numbers. Okay, otherwise I will do the spelling of 1 number in 1 day. Okay, nursery class, so please kindly cooperate with me and do the spellings of 2 number with me. And there is a long weekend for you. Okay, because you have Saturday and Sunday off, nursery class. We will meet on Monday, so please do the 2 spelling with me. Now in this block, I will write the spelling of 2. I will write number 2. Okay, nursery class, like this. And again I will put a sign of equal to. Okay, nursery class. Then write down capital T. See, always my chalk have a problem. T W. W should be very accurate like your teacher, nursery class. Don't make ugly W. Okay. TWO2. 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 Now again, nursery class, leave one block. Put the sign of equal to. And then write TWO2. Okay. Again, leave the block and put a sign of equal to, nursery class. I think you all very well known of this sign, nursery class. TWO2. TWO2. TWO2, and fill the whole page, nursery class. Now, nursery class, I also have filled the line of 2. So, nursery class, please tell me what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. TWO2. 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 Okay, nursery class, now I will tell you how you will do this work in your copy. See, nursery class, I am making the work easy that no confusion will left with you. See, I have write the date, class work, and I have write 1 is equal to O-N-E-1. So, nursery class, 1 in opposite of 1, I will draw 1 apple. I also have teach you in the online classes that how you will draw the apple. Write down 5, nursery class, like this, a big 5, so we can make big apple. Then a curve like this, nursery class. Okay, then make a leaf. Okay, how many apples are here? 1. You have to color this apple. Okay, nursery class, and in the opposite direction you write down 2, like this. 2 TWO2, and fill this line. See nursery class, I have done the line of 2, and now this is number 2 nursery class, so I will draw 2 apples. I will write 5, a bit bigger 5 nursery class, then I will make a curve like this nursery class. I will make a leaf, 1 apple nursery, then another apple. Okay nursery class, please do a neat work, do a neat and clean work. Okay nursery class, it's your classwork. Okay nursery class, 1 page is of your classwork. Nursery class, see, I have done the classwork on this page, and I turn the next page nursery class, and I have write the date, and there is HW, and then you have to write 1 and 2 and fill these lines and also draw the apples. And I, in another page, write down 0 to 50. These 2 pages are your homework, and only 1 page is your classwork. Okay, I don't think so you have any confusion left, but if you have any misunderstanding, any sort of a question, you can ask from me. Okay nursery class, do watch the story and do enjoy the activity. Have a nice day nursery class. Inshallah we will meet on Monday with our new work. Until then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye. Nursery class, welcome to your activity time nursery class. First of all, I want to tell you that we are doing this activity. This is not a homework, this is not a classwork. I am doing this activity just to make busy and just to make a healthy mind. Okay nursery class, what I am going to do in this activity, I am recalling all the shape that we have read in the book. Okay, look at the shape. This is triangle, this is circle, this is pentagon, this is again triangle, a small triangle, this is the tummy is of the square shape. You know the square has 4 equal lines, and the leg is of rectangle shape. Rectangle has 2 big lines or 2 small faces, or 2 big faces or 2 small faces. Okay, then there is a shoes is of almost oval shape. Okay nursery class, and as you know that today we learn the shape of cylinder. I try to make a cylinder shape hand. Okay nursery class, and look at, if you look at in this hand, I hold a cone in this hand, because today we also read a cone shape. Okay nursery class, now I have cut the shapes like this. Okay nursery class, and now I am going to paste these shapes. Okay, in this way our mind will work in a healthy way nursery class. Activity always make our mind healthy. I have take the glue stick nursery class. Nursery class, I have put a glue on the back side of the triangle nursery, and I have put a triangle as a cap on the face of a boy. Okay nursery class, now I will take a circles and again put a glue on the back side of the circle. Now nursery class, I will put a face over here like this. Okay nursery class, now it's the eyes time. I have taken the eyes in the pentagon shape. You can take the eyes in the circle shape. I just made it just to recall all the shape nursery class. Put the eyes. Okay nursery class, you can see the eyes of the pentagon shape nursery class. Now is the nose turn. I have cut a small triangle for the small nose nursery class. See. You can cut the smile in the moon face nursery class, is up to you. Now nursery class, I will use a square for his tummy nursery. Okay. Now I will put a glue on the back side of the page. See nursery class, you can see my lines are more than the cutting. It's just because I cut this shape according to the proper measurement. Okay, nursery class, with the help of the scale. Now nursery class is turn off the hands. Hands is of cylinder shape nursery class. Again I will put a, okay nursery class, now it's the legs turn. Now nursery class is time to feet. I have put a glue. 1 feet of oval shape nursery class. I have done the coloring, and now nursery class is the duty of the mamas to make the kids happy nursery class and busy in this way. Now there is a red cone, yummy, it's look very yummy nursery. See, I have put a glue on the back side of the, and it hold the cone like this. Now my happy boy is ready nursery class. You can also make a boy like this and send it to me. Again, I want to tell you, this is not your homework, not your classwork. It's just the activity to make your mind healthy nursery class. And if you send me nursery class, I will put on my status. In nursery class, you write your name over here. Okay, so on my status, your name will show like this. This is teacher Faiza activity. So I also will upload my activity. Okay, nursery class. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take lots of good care. Bye bye.